Cucumber and lemon mix, the secret that no one tells you. Simple recipes information, they say, is power, especially when it comes to health matters. Cucumber and lemon are a powerful duo when combined, offering numerous health benefits, especially when mixed into water. The secret behind this mix is that it's more than just a refreshing beverage. It provides hydration, aids in detoxification, supports digestion, and can contribute to weight loss. Here are a few simple recipes and benefits that people often don't highlight. Health benefits of cucumber-lemon mix: boosts hydration. Both cucumbers and lemons are high in water content, helping you stay hydrated and replenish electrolytes. Detoxifies the body. This mix helps flush out toxins, thanks to lemon's citric acid and cucumber's hydrating effect. Aids digestion. The combination stimulates digestive enzymes and soothes bloating. Supports weight loss. Cucumber has low calories, while lemon boosts metabolism, making it great for weight management. Rich in antioxidants. Both are packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and fight oxidative stress. Improves skin health. Hydration and vitamins C and K in these ingredients improve skin elasticity and clarity. Recipe 1. Basic cucumber lemon detox water ingredients. 1 cucumber, thinly sliced. 1 lemon, thinly sliced. 2 liters of water. A few mint leaves, optional. Ice cubes, optional. Instructions. Add cucumber and lemon slices to a jug of water. Let the mixture sit for 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. Serve cold with ice cubes and mint leaves if you like. Tip: drink this water throughout the day for hydration and detox benefits. Recipe 2. Cucumber lemon infused sparkling water ingredients. 1 cucumber, sliced. 1 lemon, sliced. Sparkling water, soda water, ice cubes. Fresh mint, optional. Instructions. Place cucumber and lemon slices in a glass. Pour sparkling water over the top and add ice cubes. Garnish with mint for extra flavor and serve chilled. Recipe 3. Cucumber lemon smoothie ingredients. 1 cucumber, peeled and chopped. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 tablespoon honey or agave syrup, optional. 1/2 cup water or coconut water. A handful of spinach, optional for added nutrients. Instructions. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth, adding more water if needed for desired consistency. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Recipe 4. Cucumber lemon detox ice cubes ingredients. 1 cucumber, pureed. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon grated ginger, optional. Water. Instructions. Mix pureed cucumber, lemon juice, and ginger with water. Pour the mixture into an ice cube tray and freeze. Add these detox cubes to your water for a refreshing, healthy twist. These cucumber and lemon recipes not only taste great but also offer secret benefits like cleansing the body, improving metabolism, and providing a refreshing boost without added sugars or chemicals.